What is going on, traders, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Glad to have you. Now in this video, we're going to be going over my watch list for the week of November 29th, 2021. All right, let's get to it. Okay, what we're looking at here is a Nasdaq Futures. I'm filming this on Sunday the 28th around 6:30 p.m. Now the futures market opens at 6 p.m. So as you can see here, the last 30 minutes or so, it's moving up a little bit, but it's hard to say where this is going to be by the time market opens tomorrow. But just keep your eye on the futures and it'll give you a good indication, or sometimes it gives you a good indication on where the market is going to be headed that day. All right. Okay, once again, the global news has brought fear and uncertainty into the market again, and this time it's the new COVID variant. And I'm pretty sure I speak for the majority of us in saying let's hope this isn't as serious as the Delta variant. Now, that being said, the vaccine stocks did have a nice run up this past week on this news, and I suspect they will be the focus until some new research comes out to quell some of this anxiety. So I'll be watching the vaccine stocks, starting with Moderna, ticker symbol MRNA. I'll also be watching BNTX, Biontech, which is the parent company of Pfizer, and NVAX, ticker symbol NVAX. I'll be watching all of these. Now, I don't really follow Pfizer that much because it doesn't have the range to move as much of the other vaccine tickers, so I'll be keeping that one off my list. So going back to mRNA, I'll be watching this one over 350 for a run. I'll be watching BNTX for a run over 370, and I'll be watching NVAX for a run over 225. Now keep in mind with any positive news coming out regarding these current vaccines or the reduced deadliness of this Omicron variant, that could cause these same tickers to drop just as fast as they went up. So be prepared for both directions, okay? All right, if the market continues to sell off like it did on Friday over this variant news, I'll be watching for a pullback in the semiconductor space also, and that includes ticker symbols like Nvidia and AMD. As you see here, AMD got as high as 346 a few days ago before it sold off. Had a nice day on Thursday, bouncing back up before leveling off and selling off on Friday. Now, if this bearish market continues, I'll be looking to short or buy puts on Nvidia under 308, okay? Next up is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Now it hit a high of 165.70 a few days ago before giving it all back. Now if Apple can't hold 157, I'll be looking for this one to drop all the way back down to around $150. So if it can't hold this by Monday morning, I'll be looking to short this one all the way down to 150 or so. All right. Okay, next up is Rivian, ticker symbol RIVN. Now, the ending of the partnership with Ford did kill some of the momentum they had, but the stock held up pretty well over the course of the week. It fell as low as $107, but didn't drop any further than that. So I still feel like this stock is going to drop another 40% or so in the near future, but we'll just have to be patient and watching it. Now, you see this one got as high as $179 right after its IPO. So the levels I'll be watching on this one is if Rivian falls below 105, I'll short it down to 100, and then I'll get out, and then I'll get in again if Rivian drops under $95, okay? All right, next up is NEGG, ticker symbol NEGG. Now, some of you might have noticed when the market is bearish and everything is selling off, a lot of traders tend to gravitate towards the penny stocks to make some money. Now, if you look at NEGG right here, back in June, it went from around $9 all the way up to $80 on July 7th or so, and before selling off. Now, with this run-up, Newegg seemed to adopt the "hey, look at me" type philosophy when it came to its stock. And right on cue, after a few days of nice pops and not so recent past, last couple of weeks or so, after some nice pops in traffic, they decided they wanted to accept Shiba Inu on their platform. So with this announcement that they made today, I'm looking for more eyes on this one and more volume. So keep your eye on Shiba Inu above $25. If it can get above $25, this thing could possibly run up. All right. All right. Last up is Rocket Lab, ticker symbol RKLB. Now, the company announced that they will be doing an update to the Neutron's development on December 2nd at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, if you don't know, Neutron is an 8-ton class reusable rocket tailored for mega constellations, deep space missions, and human spaceflight. Now, for scale, here is an image of the Electron rocket, what they use right now for low Earth orbit satellite deployments, versus the Neutron rocket, which is a lot bigger. Okay, taking a look at the chart again, what I'm hoping for is in anticipation of this presentation and throughout the presentation and shortly after that, it pushes Rocket Lab over $20. It'd be nice if it got to 25 or so, but what I really hope for is that when it pulls back after the hype dies down, that it creates a new support level around $17 for the stock. That would be fantastic. And that is the end of the video. If you found value, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I want to wish you all a happy and prosperous week of trading. And until next week, talk to you later.